Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Antonio Cusio Januar Doja. I'd like to share a little about what I do. Everyone has their own story. One of hard work, exhaustion, and gratitude. I work part-time as home cleaner, moving from one house to another every day.
Hello, my friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rifayas, a Muay Thai athlete. My days are filled with physical training, discipline, and sweat. Our activities may be different, but we have one thing in common: a passion for living each day to the fullest.
Hey Payas, how do you how you do boys?
Hey Anton, it's been good so far. And I actually wake up early today, which is rare for me.
Wow, that's impressive. I usually hit the small button at least twice before I get on the off bed.
Same here most day, but today I want to start my day differently. So I wake up at 6 a.m., stretch a bit, and went for a short jog around my neighborhood.
That sounds healthy. My mornings are much later. I usually get up around 7 o'clock, brush my teeth, and check my phone formation or social media updates before breakfast.
Oh yeah, I do that too sometimes. After jogging, I took a shower and made myself some scrambled eggs and toast. How about you?
I usually have color with milk or sometimes fried rice if I have time. After break, I get ready for school. My first class starts 8 o'clock, so I leave the house around 8.
Men start at 9, so I take bus around 7 o'clock, and I usually listen to music or a podcast on the way.
That's nice. My bus riders are full of students getting loaded. I usually just look out the window and think about my plans for the day.
What do you usually what do you usually do at school?
Well, I depends on the day. Today I had English, math, and art. English is my favorite subject because I love speaking and reading in English.
You're like English. I like English too. But I prefer story because I enjoy learning about the past. Today, our teacher told a really funny story about him who accidentally started a war because of a chicken.
Yes, hilarious. After my class, I usually hang out with my friend in the cafeteria. We talk, eat, and snack, and sometimes take pictures for fun.
That's so fun. After school, I go to the gym for an hour. It helps me release stress and stay fit.
I wish I could do that, but I usually just go straight home and take a nap. I get so sleepy after class.
I get that. In the evening, I help my mom prepare dinner. We usually get together and talk about our day.
That's nice. My family does the same. After dinner, I usually study for about an hour. Then watch some YouTube music video or Netflix before bed.
Oh, what do you watch before you sleep?
Mostly for drama. I've been watching Stranger Things.
Oh, nice. I prefer comedies. I love watching Broken Lane 9 It always made me laugh before sleeping.
That's good. What do end the day?
Oh yeah, this I usually go to bed around at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. And how about you?
Around my time. I know it's late, but I always tell myself just one more video and then it's suddenly 12 AM.
Classic. Anyway, it sounds like we both have pretty busy but fun days.
Yeah, I think so. Every day is different, but I like having my little routines.
Same here. Well, thanks for sharing your day with me, Anton.
You too, Ayas. Have a great evening.
Thank you,
Thank you.